Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hop. Today we will find the equation of the following cosine graph. The first thing we should note down is that this is the cosine graph, which means y equals to cos of x. Now, let's figure out the period. So we can see a graph starts here and the first cycle is completed in pi radians, which means that the period is pi. And we know the formula for the period is equals to 2 pi over k, and since our period is pi, we can solve for k. 2 pi over k pi is equals to 2 pi, k is equals to 2 pi over pi. This gives us k equals to 2. So that's our value for k. Our k value is equals to 2. Let me write that down in a different color. K is equals to 2. Okay, now that we have that, let's find out the amplitude. So the amplitude is half the distance from the peak to the trough. So the peak is at 5, the trough is at -1, so the distance between these 2 points is 6. So half the distance between them would be 6 over 2, which is equals to 3. So therefore, the amplitude is equals to 3. So now that we have the amplitude and the horizontal compression, the period, let's figure out the vertical shift. So we can we can do the horizontal shift first. So we can take a look. The cosine graph always looks something like, a regular cosine graph looks something like this. Let me just make a better one. Like this. So this point is basically this point here. We can see this point has been shifted by minus pi by 2. Therefore, d would be equals to minus pi over 2. Write this as in this color as well, k equals to 2. Now that we have a horizontal shift, our amplitude as well as our k, which is the horizontal compression, let's look at the vertical shift. So how would we figure out the vertical shift? To figure out the vertical shift, we can see that the amplitude is 3. So the regular cosine graph starts at 1 and our amplitude is 3, which means that I would take our peak to be at 4, but our peak is actually at 5, which means that 3 is from the amplitude. So the vertical shift is plus 2, since 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So therefore, c is equals to plus 2. Now we can simply plug these values in to our equation, which is given right here. So plugging them in gives y equals to 3 sine k is 2 x minus pi by 2, which becomes plus pi by 2 plus 2. And this is the equation of our graph. Thank you for joining us. I hope to see you in the next lesson.